Alright, so everyone knows that, like, the Madden season just reset. So, I've been playing for a little bit. I opened some packs. You know how it is. So, for my first video on Madden, I'll do 10 pro pack opening. Try to get more coins. I have a bunch of stuff selling right now, so it'll be easier to do it. Alright, let me get this first pack going. I ignored all those notifications from just random ass people. Bruh, it's taking so long. Alright, let's get it. Silver, don't want that. Ooh, let's get it. Okay, here's my first one. I think right now, since it just reset, those go for about 20k. The tight end might go for like 5, so. Alright, let's get the next one. I've pulled 2, so. Let's see, I'm gonna cover it up. No reveal all. I'm my third one. Right. Middle. Ooh. Sammy Watkins. He'd probably be my starting wide receiver. That one. Ooh, Joe Flacco. I think he went for like 10k. Oh yeah, I didn't know. Punt returners. Silver punt returners and kick returners go for a lot. Like a lot. Like 7, 8k. So don't put them to sell those ones. And I might make a coin making video. And cornerbacks go for a little bit. Alright, I've got 4 more. Let me pull this elite real quick. Reveal all. Oh my god. Let's see, who did I pull today? I think I pulled Earl Thomas III and then someone else. Ooh. Alright. Giovanni Bernard. It's not bad. I check Sammy Watkins' speed quick. It's my gold. That's my last one. What are we gonna get? Alright. Let's see how much stuff I have sent real quick. I'll probably make another video tomorrow, but who knows? Yeah, I'm running out. All this stuff's gonna sell. So I'll probably, oh, here he is. Ryan, I have no idea his last name. But I think I got about 200k right here, plus whatever I just got. Boy, Johnny Manziel. Alright, well thanks for watching if you did.